For my egg drop design, I'm using a box of flimsy thin cardboard and stuffing it with loosely clumped newspaper, and in the middle of the box I have a toilet paper tube stuffed at both ends with newspaper with the egg in the middle. Using the momentum change equation, I am trying to increase the time of the collision and decrease the change in momentum. By using a box of flimsy cardboard, it won't be stiff enough to bounce back off the asphalt, so the momentum change won't be as large as it would be if it were to bounce. And by including plenty of crumple zones with the newspaper, which will squish as the egg travels towards the asphalt upon the box hitting it, the time of the collision is increased, decreasing the total force, which will hopefully leave the egg. So everything's inside of this box, which is about 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters by another 15 centimeters.
Go.
There's the egg contraption. Maybe. There we go. She made it.